Hi, my name is Roar Uthaug and I'm the director of Troll. When we unleashed the first Troll 3 years ago, it connected with people here in Norway and all over the world. Now I'm really excited to take you behind the world of Troll 2 and show you how we brought the Trolls to life. Let's have a look. When creating the Trolls, we wanted to build on the first film, keep them grounded in Norwegian nature and celebrate the connection to our folklore. And with 2 entirely new Trolls in the script, it was important to give each of them their own identity. This is Jotun, the villain of our story. We wanted Jotun to feel very intimidating. He is thousands of years old, and after a long and brutal life, what you see on him is a lot of rock, scars, and dead trees. Let's look at his face. It's designed to feel aggressive. We took inspiration from wolves and other predators. The sharp angles and strong teeth make him feel more dangerous. Also, that nose is massive, which is a classic troll feature in Norwegian folklore. And if Jotun represents evil, we needed to explore the opposite. So let's look at our hero troll. He is the son of Dovregubben, or the Mountain King from the first film, which basically makes him the prince. Or Vakre, as Nora calls him, which is Norwegian for beautiful. And while Jotun is aged and angry, Vakre needed to feel young and alive. We looked at animals like bears and dogs to capture a sense of kindness. So Vakre is rounder and softer with gentle eyes and fresher colors and vegetation covering his body. One of the things I always get asked is, how big are the trolls? Well, let me show you. What I find interesting is when you compare them to things we know. So let's pull up some references. A few vehicles, a house, some landmarks. And now if you can still spot me down here, you can see they're pretty massive. Their size becomes very clear once we move on to one of my favorite stages, making the trolls come alive. For me, it's really in the animation that we start to see their personality. Vakre is more human in the way he moves, while Jotun is pure aggression. And as much as I like to, the trolls cannot join us on set. So that obviously created a challenge for us. When filming, we had to use our imagination, which our actors embraced perfectly. Because their characters' fear, awe and curiosity becomes the audience's window into this world. So if they don't believe, you don't believe. Together with Netflix, we set out to tell a spectacular adventure with more trolls, bigger thrills and bigger stakes. It takes countless people at the top of their craft, and I'm really proud to present our new epic monster movie set in the heart of Norway.